The Cirus is equipped with a front-facing radar. This radar can be turned on and off via the radar activation button on the remote. When the radar is activated, the drone will detect objects as small as 1 square foot, and once an object is detected, the drone will stop and hover in place and wait for your input to navigate away from the detected object. As a reminder, when the front-facing radar is activated, the drone will drop into a maximum forward speed of 11 miles per hour. With the radar disengaged, the aircraft will resume its top speed of 40 miles per hour. As a safety reminder, this radar is front-facing only and has a range of 100 feet. And currently, this drone will not detect objects behind, below, or to the sides, so please fly carefully in dense and crowded areas. And finally, if you're flying a mission and press the return to home button, the aircraft will automatically engage the radar avoidance option, so don't be alarmed if you had it off and you press the return to home and now you see it activated. Now that you know how to engage the radar, you are ready for your safe flight.